Okay, this is a video showing how to get to the blower motor on an LG mini split. This is what the outside cover looks like. If you're wondering, it's a, they call it the inverter 5. Okay. The big trick is to know that, obviously, I think most mini splits, the motor is buried over here. That's the motor back there. And it's on a shaft, and it goes through this long roller wheel. And in most cases, this is the, let's say the Freon or the copper pipes are here. You have to be gentle, so it's going to pivot this way. And then you're going to basically lift this side up and slide that wheel out. And they usually have a little groove, see that little space with access to that screw in there that you unscrew and separate the motor from that, and then you pull the wheel out. In this case, I think on a lot of them too, this is the like computer box where all the wiring and electronics are. That usually just hangs, attaches. You can see there's a little clip here, attaches in here, and it locks up there. So you can release this box. It definitely gives you a lot of room, because behind it is, this is the cover that secures the motor in place, and this is impossible to get out without releasing this electronic box. While it's apart, you clean everything out. These things get nasty. This thing is about 12, 13 years old, and knock on wood, still working. So anyway, there's a lot of little screws, like in this case, to take this out, you just got to keep looking. There's a screw here, and then they pry it and it unsnaps. This is a drain pan that catches the water. When you put it back in, you have to make sure you get it seated right, or else things will drip. So a lot of little screws all over the place. You just have to keep looking for them. I'm not going to walk you through all of them, but I figured I'd show you the main goal, what you're getting to. Hope this is helpful.